everybody, I hope that you guys are having an awesome day. And today I'm gonna be doing a Coachella inspired makeup look for summer, spring, etc. A collaboration with all my good friends here on YouTube. I asked a lot of them if they wanted to join my collab or something like that. I made a lot of mistakes in this collab because I was so busy this past couple of weeks and just been feeling under the weather a lot. This is what I came up with for Coachella, and I did like my pigtails and my headband and stuff like that. And if you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and don't forget to ring that bell so you guys can get notified when I upload a video. And let's get started. So I'm going to be using my new Juvia's palette, and I'm going to be using this shade. It's like a brown tone tannish color, and I'm just going to apply that on my eyelids, and I'm just going to use this brush to blend all together. It's pretty cute. I really love it, and I'm going to be using that color just to apply on my lids, just to, pop out a little bit, and just apply like a little bit of a shimmer. But I was going to do a crease for this, so you guys will see in the video. And I'm just going to do the same thing with the other eye as well. And then I'm going to use that red and put it on top of my lids, just like to have like a little bit of a crease. And then I'm going to do the same thing with the other eye as well. And I'm just going to mix it all together to blend. I did like a little dab, and then I'm going to use that yellow just to have like a little sunset. Yeah. Yeah, I'm just like putting a little sunset on my eyes, you know what I mean? But it's not about the sunset look, it's about Coachella. And I'm just going to use that brush to blend as well, because it's all about the blending. I didn't want to put like so much red, because the more you put it, it'll get worse. And like this one a little bit. So yeah, I'm going to be using this blue one as well, just to like have like a little bit of like a highlight underneath my crease. And then I'm going to use this brush just to blend it together, so it will look really nice. And then I keep doing the same thing with the other eye as well, because you need that glow. And then this is what I'm going to do, is like use this concealer from NYX as my crease. And it's my first time doing this. I took out my lashes because I keep making a lot of mistakes. So yeah, that's why I look like naked right now with no lashes. And then I'm using that color again just to go around my the crease. I was using the different shade this time. It's like a little bit like a lilac purple. And then I use this brush just to blend in my, like in the corner of my eyes to have a little highlight. And then I keep having a little bit more just in case, because I'm trying to match with the other eye as well. So the next thing I'm going to do is use my liquid eyeliner. I skipped through this a lot just because it takes so long. You guys don't want to see like a long eyeliner tutorial. So this is what I'm doing right now, and I just underline my eyeliner and stuff like that. And then I take off the tape slowly and stuff like that, and then I just brush off all the excess and everything. And then I use this shade just to highlight my under eyes from my my eyebrows and stuff, so I can have a little highlight and stuff. So that's what I'm trying to do right now. And then I use my mascara and everything so that my eyelash can at least grow a little more, because you girl don't have lashes. I was using fake lashes and it's not working for me. So it's my first time, so don't come after me. So I'm going to use my Ulta mascara, and then I'm going to use this shade just to underline my waterline. And I use my Dr. Brandt primer for my foundation, my base, and everything else and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm just going to use this brush just to spread out all this stuff, for my foundation. So this is what I use for my foundation brush and stuff. So I really like this foundation. You guys know that by now. I use this for like 2 years now, maybe 3. So that's a pretty long time. And I'm using my Ulta powder and stuff. I think I call this like a baking powder, but it's not like a powder and stuff. But I can't talk today. But I'm kind of in a rush, so I'm trying to do this voice overview. And yeah, so I'm just going to use this Ulta powder just to brush out my face. And I use my eyeliner. And then I use this glitter just to have like a little sparkle. Because, Coachella I always see as a sparkly type of thing. And a lot of like stickers and stuff. You guys will see. Well, yeah. So I use this like little dot thing, like studs and stuff like that for my under eyes. Because I always see Coachella like this and stuff like that. So, like, inspired. And then I use my eyeliner, my pencil for my brows. And I'm just, covering them up and stuff, filling them up and everything. So I can have that nice brows for today because my brows look naked. There's no color or anything. So that's what I'm trying to do right now. And I use this shade just to go underneath my eyes as well, my brows. Because, like, you know, you want more pop and stuff. And then I use that shade just to have, like, a nice base underneath the top of my brows. So it can have that nice, you know, highlight a little bit too. And I use this stud as well. It looks like an Egyptian right now, like Casey said, because she told me earlier. And I use my Urban Decay highlighter or bronzer, whatever you call this. And I just use that on my cheekbones and everything. I'm like still new with this makeup industry and stuff, so don't come after me, guys. And I'm gonna use this one as well, just to have like that nice cheekbones and stuff, you know. And I'm gonna use this contouring, I think it's a contour or something like that, but anyways. So that's what I'm trying to do right now. I'm doing like a little contouring so I can have that nice, you know, cheekbones, I think, you know. I can't talk today. And I also do it like in the between of my head and stuff like that. So like it can have that nice dark tones with my face and everything. So you gotta have that. And as well, I use this as my blush a little bit. I'm using this lip scrub for my lips so it can have that nice shine and softness. And then I use my lip gloss from Ulta. It's like a coconut scent. And then I use my Revlon lipstick. It's like a hot pink kind of shade. And this is like very perfect because it matches a little bit with my eyes and everything. And I'm just going to apply that. And then it looks like... So yeah, this is my makeup look. I hope that you guys like it from watching the video. And I'll see you guys next time. And don't forget to check out all the girls down below and let them know I sent you. And I love you guys so, so much.